We know, students, that we cannot see light. How we know? That we can see ourselves, but the way light is coming from a source, say a bulb, that falls on me and you can see me, not the light. But how can I see how the light is propagating? For that we need a little bit of smoke. What happens when light passes through that smoke? The smoke particles, they also become visible. Actually, we are not looking at the light. What we are looking at, we shall see the particles which falls on the path. Let us, light this agarbatti and just this is an agarbatti, it will give a lot of smoke. And you must remember, we don't see light. Even we'll see, we can see the, when the laser light is passing through it, then in the path we can see that light, the path of the light is visible, and also we can see, as in your book it is said, that light travels in a straight line. So this experiment is conclusively proving that the light travels in a straight line, though we cannot see this. Now we can see with the small smoke which has come to this room, now that is good enough to see the laser path. Okay, thank you.